How to turn off subtitles on Samsung TV. First of all, get your remote, whether that's the universal remote or the Samsung Smart TV remote. Then press the home button in the middle of your controller. Then click left all the way along on the bottom pop-up there until you get to settings. Click OK, the enter button on that right there. Then you want to scroll down on this pop-up here until you get to general. Go to the right, then click enter on accessibility. Then in the accessibility section, you're going to want to scroll down until you see the section where it says subtitle settings. There, if subtitles settings are on, you want to click the enter button, then that will turn them off. So this is what it looks like when it turns off. If you want to turn them on, again, you can go ahead and click the on button within there, so you can turn on subtitles on the Samsung Smart TV or turn it off within this section here. Once you've done that, it's finished all in the settings here. So leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.